What up, YouTube? Here we go again, the Crazy Boricua here, doing another review for you guys. So today is gonna do a review from called the Cuda 4-piece set fillet knife, steak sharpener, and micro scissors. This is a set to go for fishing. You know, when you prepare the fish, fillet it and cut the lines and sharpen the knife too. So let's review this product today, okay? Wait a minute. Sorry, I'm looking to the camera. I cannot help myself. Well, let's do this review. I'm coming back with you guys. Okay, back here again. Let's open this product. Cuda 4-piece set knife, steel knife, sharpener, and micro scissors. Say, it's making German corrosion resistance, a stainless steel blade, visible full tank construction. I mean, the whole knife is one piece. Ultra light steel, reversible belt loop for right or left fit. The thing got water drainage too, though, where you put the knife. Titanium bolded blades, cut mono and braided line. Oversized Cuda scale pattern ropes. So I don't see no scale here, but let's open this. Okay? Alright. Okay, let's open this. There we go. Come on. Oh god. A little cut. I just touched it. It cut me off, right off. So you get this, be careful, because this thing is insanely sharp. I just touched it and they cut me right off. Okay, but I'm okay. A little bleeding there, but hey. Yeah, the knife you can see is sharp. I just cut myself, because if you buy this product, be careful. It's real sharp. Oh yeah, it's full tank too. So this thing is titanium. Oh, it's nice. Believe me, it's nice. I buy this at Walmart, and it's steady. Real nice. I don't know if you can see here. Sorry, I got a cut, so let me clean myself a little bit. Coming back. I'm back again. Sorry, I cut myself with a knife. You know, it's real sharp. Believe me when I tell you it's real sharp. Don't play with this. It's real sharp. Like, look at this. Look at this. I don't want to cut myself. I don't know. But look at this. Look. You see that? It's real sharp. Let me see if I can do it here. It's real sharp. So be careful if you get this knife, please. Because you got a sharpener too. I think it's one side is what they call that rough grade, the other side is light grade to sharpen it. So then the micro scissors. Let me try this. Oh yeah, sharp too. Yep. Oh my goodness. Yeah, this is not for play. This is like real good stuff. And the case for the knife feels solid, hard plastic. Piece of rubber for the belt, you know, when you go fishing. And yeah, it feels good. I don't know what this for? Oh, okay, yes. This part, you can interchange it in your right side or left side. Like you go in here and pull this down. Hold on, let me see. Yeah, I don't want to break this. Hold on, let me see how they do it. Yeah, you put it down, unclip it, unclip it on the other side. It's a little hard to put it. Sorry, people. Sorry, I hit everything here. Jesus Christ. Well, let me fix this. Okay, yeah. Like I say, you just unclip it and clip it the other side. It's a little hard, so. Yeah, so this is the CUDA. 4-piece set, fillet knife, steel, sharpener, micro scissors. It's 3 times harder than steel. I guess it's titanium too, so I recommend it. It's nice. Believe me, it's real sharp. I even cut myself just so and open it. So be careful. Alright, so let me let you go with this. Like this video, please. Subscribe to my channel. Okay? I love you all. Take care of yourself.